Hey mga kalab! For today's video, we're going on a fun adventure and trying out the desert safari here in the UAE. They will pick you up from your preferred location and drop you off at the designated area to wait for the dawn bashing. We have chosen the 50 dirham package. You'll get a lot of amenities included. The dawn bashing and shalit experience were super fun. Since we're a bit timid, we asked the driver to take it easy on the turns, and it was still a thrilling ride without being too intense. Next, we went on a camel ride. Since we wanted a longer experience, we paid a little extra, and I definitely recommended it. Listen to the instruction and make sure you hold tight because agoy. Nice kayong sunset, guys. The extended ride made the whole experience much more enjoyable. While waiting for our next activity, we took some time to snap a few photos outside. Dula jug balas guys. The Hina tattoo is also part of the package. But if you want a custom design, you just need to pay a small additional fee. It's very affordable and the artists are friendly. Hala oy ka nice jud siya oy. Mao ni ang view sa camp boat. This was the beautiful view from where we were seated. Before the show started, they offer a snack for us to enjoy. The show includes the Tanora dance. They also provided unlimited water and soft drinks. The fire show, which was massive and totally wow us. Nice oil. The food was delicious, especially the samosa and chicken barbecue. And of course, the belly dancing. This isn't a sponsored video, but I really just wanted to share our experience with you. I have to say that the team that organized everything, from the dune bashing organizer, drivers, to the entertainers and the servers, was incredibly polite and accommodating. If you have any question, just message them and they are really easy to talk to. Follow me mga love for more adventures!